Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to play custom games with bots in Battlefield 6 and still earn a full XP. Perfect for leveling up weapons, vehicles, and mastery while practicing at your own pace. Let's get started. So from the Battlefield 6 main menu, scroll down to Community tab and select Search Experiences. Now, if you just create your own lobby the normal way, you'll notice something important. You'll only earn match completion XP. That means no win bonus, no mastery progress, no daily mission XP. This is great for practice but not great for leveling up. So instead, go to the search experiences bar and type Conquest, then sort by most liked. Look for the lobbies with names like Classic Conquest Bots, Full XP, Solo versus Bots, XP Enabled, and All Maps Conquest XP. When you open the lobby details, check the XP section, and this should show the XP progression, mastery, win bonus, and daily missions at 100%. If that's enabled, you're good to go. You can now join an active server or scroll down to host. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.